To become a TikTok shop seller, start by creating a professional TikTok account and switching to a business or creator account. This will give you access to additional features and analytics. Next, set up your shop by clicking on the shopping cart icon on your profile and following the prompts to add your store information and products. Ensure you have a clear and high-quality profile picture, bio, and cover photo that represents your brand. Your bio should include a brief description of your products and a call to action to drive sales. Optimize your profile for shopping by adding a shop tab and product showcases. To add products, go to the TikTok shop dashboard and click on Add Product. Fill in the product details, including name, description, price, and images. Use high-quality product images and videos to showcase your products from different angles. You can also add product variations, such as different sizes or colors. Once you have added your products, create engaging content to showcase them. Use good lighting, sound, and editing to make your videos stand out. Utilize TikTok's Duet feature to collaborate with other users and reach a wider audience. Leverage hashtags and trends to make your content more discoverable. To drive sales, utilize TikTok's shopping features, such as product links and shopping carts. You can also run ads and promotions to reach a wider audience. Monitor your analytics to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Best practices for TikTok shop sellers include responding promptly to customer inquiries, providing excellent customer service, and offering high-quality products. Utilize user-generated content and customer reviews to build trust and credibility with potential customers. Stay up to date with TikTok's policies and guidelines to avoid any issues with your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can become a successful TikTok shop seller and reach a large and engaged audience. Remember to stay consistent, be patient, and continuously adapt to changes in the market and platform.